it's Harry
And
and
Jack.
and we're going to do a challenge where we're against recruit bots, but me and Dad only have to use pistols. And
here it goes.
this first person, well, they're allowed to use any weapons. And Jack's trying to get the remote off me. Right, Dan, you ready? Dan, you ready? And right, Dan, pistol on, yep.
That's it.
Dan, what are you? Harry? I got a Magnum. Dan, what do you have?
Cat 40.
I'm playing on a different screen.
No, Jack's not even playing, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, let's... And you have allowed a knife, aren't you, Dan? If you knife in the wrong situation, it is a foul. I'm not even sure if there is a wrong situation.
What is
Oh,
right
Dan,
situation?
Dan. Look how cool this is. Oh. So far we're winning. Guys, I'm just gonna say that the 70 subscribers we have, I'm not sure how much we got now. I think we still got 70.
No.
It has meant a lot to me.
I'm holding the camera in one hand. How good am I?
It's a lot. So, oh, and also we're mentioning that soon it's gonna be Dan's birthday.
Yep.
Happy
So then it's
Not yet, Jack.
We're going to do a special video on that, hopefully.
Yeah, we'll do it the day after. Oh God, yes! Dan, my right shield saved me. Who's that? Get away from me! Dan, be careful, there's a gun on the floor. Oh, if any of us use anything but a pistol, Dan's using the pistol machine gun, aren't you, Dan? Yeah, which is allowed.
It's not got a care package.
And Dan, if any of us use a machine gun, we're out of the game. Oh God. I don't need a riot shield. Who has a riot shield?
What did I just do?
Just want to announce this. 71 subscribers.
Yeah, we've got 71. Well done.
Now the only problem is I'm running out of ammo. So the best way to make sure when your ammo's gone is simply suicide. Yeah, I got my right shield back and... Oh no, the enemy counted that as a kill. Oh, we're still winning. We got 13. I think Jack's watching Stampy, are you, Jack? Yeah, Jack, get off. Dan, have you ever seen Stampy Longhead?
Yeah.
You like him?
He's quite good, actually.
Yeah.
I've seen him in real life.
He looks about 18 or something.
Many times.
Yeah, but the only problem... the only problem is, with him is, I'm probably quite... When I see him on YouTube, I'm always like, wow.
His laugh irritates me.
Nah, cause laugh.
No, can't do it.
Oh, that guy was gonna stand. That guy was so gonna kill you. Have a go.
Where should I put my guardian?
Angel.
You got a turret. How do you get a turret? Where's your guardian? What? That is one heck of a turret, Dan. What does it do? Oh no, I'm dead.
No way.
I think your turret murdered me, Dan. Dan, your turret
It might
murdered
have
me.
done that.
Dan, your trust murdered me. I think it's time.
Alright.
Ah, the person killed you, didn't
At
they?
least someone killed you with his shogun.
Oh yeah, guys, I don't really call shotguns shoguns.
Oh, look at that! It glitches.
Does it work? No. Oh, that, no. Ah. I just... Oh, can you do that with right shields defend?
Yeah.
Can right shields get destroyed?
No.
No. But I ordered something. No, you didn't. Oh, come on, I've been waiting for 6 hours. No. shoot me then? I can't really see a lot, to be honest.
Survive turret and then you must survive.
Oh, what? Where is...
New thing to ask. Are we allowed to change another handgun to an... Am I allowed to change my cap to
Oh, shoot me. Oh! That's gonna do one more map to that. So this time, what do you want the chance to be then?
only snipers?
Only snipers. Oh, that's me! Oh no,
No,
it's you.
that's me.
Yeah. Oh, that was the horrible death in real life. Oh, today we've uploaded. How much videos? Like 7, 8.
Quite a few.
Yeah, a lot. I'm not even sure how much views they got. This is...
Only allows snipers on this one.
Yeah, so Dan, you create your first class first.
Do what you got, scope either.
Start a rifle.
The only problem is with using snipers is they can outsmart us. Oh guys, look, I found my rugby ball. 9ph. That's how I got it.
You can capture it.
None of you just saw what actually happened. I just smashed my head on something quite annoying. I'm taking that class to... Hey Dan, on to
Dan.
Dan, we are dead. That's because I eat my body.
Oh my god.
Look at knives.
Can I get that sniper fucking... Well, it looks like... Guys, stop it. Jack, stop it. Alright, Jack, that's not allowed, mate.
Sorry.
Yeah?
Oh. Yeah.
Tomorrow, me and Jack are going to Remembrance and Eagles Meadow.
Harry,
The Scouts.
how many kill hangers?
The reason me and Jack are doing that is because we're Scouts and it's Remembrance Day. Alright, Dan, get your class ready, boy. Alright, my class is ready. I just need to join your team. Me and Dan are the SEALs. The SEALs have heart of steel. Right, how's my scope? Rubbish. Rubbish. I'm rubbish at choosing scopes, to be honest. Right, let's do this.
This time we were doing it with snipers instead of handguns.
Which can be had down as one on my screen. Oh god. Bang, bang! Yes! Well, Dan, the only thing we have to do is keep the rain up. Sadly, you died. Ah, look at him. He thought he can outrun me. I got zoom on, so I can zoom in. That's... Oh, damn, I got shot. No, it's him. Oh. Yes, we got another one.
It's not unicorn day Friday.
Alright, this is my building. No, it's my... What's the... My plane, you can call it. This is our plane. Don't let anyone steal this plane. And, oh no, we lost it! Right, Dan. Yeah, we spoke a lot on this episode. Let's start again. Hello everyone, it's Harry. Harry's here with...
Harry,
Yeah?
your shirt.
Alright, sorry guys, just about the madness thing tomorrow. Jack, I'll go up there again in a minute now. Shut up. So... You sound like... I know where it is. Jack's gonna be tagging over for me now. Jack's gonna be Jack's gonna tag over me now. Jack's gonna take over and he's not gonna speak. That's all.
So Jack, do you have anyone that you want to specially shout out to?
Yeah. James Gordon Jones.
Oh, I know James.
Yeah? Dan. So what's your favourite colour, Daniel? What? Did you just what? It's quite hard to tell. Isn't it? Die, I killed him.
Did you were stabbed him though, didn't you?
No, I just found.
You're not good with snipers, to be honest with
Well, I am. Oh, look what? Okay, that's not realistic. He loves knife. Oh, why did you kill me?
Are you ironing them? Yeah. I'm gonna iron my car. My knacker.
What's your good at? I'm on fire. I killed you.
Alright, I'm back. And oh, Jack, how many times did you die?
Twice.
Oh my god.
I killed loads of people. No offense to Dan.
Oh, what's
you.
this?
Even though I killed more people than you.
Oh, Dan, I got a smoke thing on the floor. What does that do?
Oh. Gift package.
Gift pack. Oh! I was waiting for my gift. Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah.
I only wanted that gift. Hey, what's this, Dan? Yeah, got missiles. Oh, what? Dan! Those missiles.
God.
I killed someone. Oh, no. Bang. No. 60 seconds to go. I think we've won, Dan. I'm proud to say that we've won. Oh, I just got a headshot, guys. Oh yeah, back to Matty G. I just want to say, if any of the people have just watched them, I am extremely grateful for that. What is the account name again, Dan?
I think someone said it was Matty G.
Called Matty G.
Matty G.
Mattyge.
I don't remember who said it. But yeah, I think he has his own account. If you want to go check that out.
Yes, I just killed their sniper. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is our last video.
Of tonight, so...
No, not tonight. It's the last video with me. Next video is going to be you and Jack. I'm going to have to do something. Oh, that's my kill. That's my
I
kill.
want to see the final kill.
Oh, that's my kill. I'm sorry. Oh, because it's open. Oh, how does that feel?
Well, I'll see you from Dan.
And from Harry and from Jack. Thanks for watching.
Bye.